Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python course on edureka. Python is a versatile programming language widely used for various purposes such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. If you're looking to learn Python, edureka offers comprehensive courses designed to help you master this powerful language. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through getting started with the Python course on edureka, providing an overview and some code examples to help you understand the basics. 1. Introduction to edureka's Python course. Edureka's Python course is designed for beginners and intermediate learners who want to gain proficiency in Python programming. The course covers essential topics ranging from basic syntax to advanced concepts like web scraping, GUI development, and data analysis using libraries like pandas and numpy. 2. Course features. 3. Course curriculum. Edureka's Python course typically covers the following topics. Title: Getting Started with Python, a comprehensive tutorial with edureka. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that has gained immense popularity for its simplicity and readability. If you're looking to master Python, edureka offers an excellent Python course that covers everything from the basics to advanced topics. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of getting started with the edureka Python course, complete with code examples to enhance your learning experience. Step 1. Sign up for edureka Python course. To begin your Python learning journey with edureka, you first need to sign up for the Python certification course on their website. Visit the edureka website, https://www.edureka.co, and navigate to the Python certification course. Follow the registration process and choose the appropriate plan based on your learning needs. Step 2. Accessing the Python course content. Once you've successfully registered for the Python course, you'll gain access to a well-structured curriculum. Edureka provides video lectures, assignments, quizzes, and hands-on labs to ensure a comprehensive learning experience. Navigate through the course modules to get an overview of the topics covered. Step 3. Python Basics, Hello World example. Let's start with a simple Python program to print Hello World as a hands-on example. Open your favorite Python IDE or use an online platform like Jupyter Notebook. Write the following code. Save the file and run it. You should see the output Hello World on your console. This basic example introduces you to the syntax and structure of a Python program. Step 4. Variables and data types. Proceed to the next module in the edureka course, where you'll learn about variables and data types in Python. Here's a code snippet to demonstrate.